Okay guys, what's going on? Today we played like Locksmith. Today we be Locksmith, guys. So what do we have? We have a laundry, dryer, and wash machine. So that one part we need a replacement, the lock box. And how to do, if you miss the key, how you can open. So if you want to drill, it will be drill. It's not work. Like you see that this protection thing, like this one, and it's always rotate, and you can't normal that drill it. This, it's a little bit difficult drill here. Yeah, you can, but it's longer. So now we will show you how to do it. How to open. It's easy. Okay. So we did the cross two lines, and now we need just to bend these pieces. Take a hammer like this, bam, bam. And now guys, it's your trigger. Just to push left, right, like that, you know, just to push on top and bottom like that, and try to switch, and done. It's your trigger, guys.